It's Teresa here from Yes You Can. Today we're making a soup. It's going to be like a beef sort of a soup, another one of Teresa's inventions, but we'll see how we go. I have a sick friend and I want to get her iron levels up, so we've got broccoli, spinach, zucchinis, potatoes, we've got onion, garlic, sweet potato, cauliflower. We've got my nutritional yeast, which is full of vitamin B, which will help the iron get into her body. Beef stock powder, vegan beef stock powder. I've got lentil soup mix, Vegemite, which gives the beef flavour too. I like to do that. We're using garlic smash to fry the onion and the garlic. We're going to use Backyard BBQ, which this is full of rosemary, black pepper, celery seed, thyme, salt, garlic, onion, sumac, marjoram and allspice. We're going to use Stockmans whip, which is a salt, thyme for garlic, bush tomato Dukkah, just to add some more flavour, and I'll put a little bit of Himalayan salt. So that's our preparation ready to cook. We start with the first three ingredients. I'm just going to put a bit of garlic smash in here. I'd say about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to throw my onion in, which my brain just kicked in, and I should have chopped the onion and the garlic first, which this machine does. Teresa's not in a thinking mode today. Here we go. So first of all, I should have chopped it first, but I'll chop it. Then we fry it for 5 minutes. Thank you. Ready to go. In here I've got the beef stock and 2 teaspoons of Vegemite with some water, which I'm going to pour on our cooked, you can do this in a pot of course, on our cooked onion and garlic. And then it's a matter of just throwing everything in there. This machine chops everything up at the end for me, so I'm popping everything in my machine. I'm going to pop all that soup mix in there. And we pop the nutritional yeast. That was about 2 tablespoons. And then I've got the bush tomato. I've got 1 teaspoon of that. I've got 2 teaspoons of Backyard BBQ. I've got 1 teaspoon of thyme for garlic. I'm going to put a pinch of salt, and then I just top it up with that. And we pop it on, and I'll show you to you when it's cooked. It'll be about an hour.